What's up YouTube? So if you remember the other day I created a video about how to mount a GoPro on your Wavestorm. So one thing I found out is that it's a fail. I didn't do it right. So I was surfing today and then the mount came off. So look. Okay. Well, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the white stuff out and then I'm gonna put another silicone here. And then I'm gonna use a card. By the way, this card is still working. I went to Korea and they gave me like a 10,000 Korean dollar or something, but I never had the chance to use it, so I'm just gonna use it. Take the silicone out. Ooh, that thing is coming off. So instead of this going in, what happened is that it went sideways inside the board. So this time I'm gonna use a different kind, which is, this is supposed to be like a really strong, so this is gonna hold my mount inside the board. So let's go. Another fail. Freaking. And then the silicone broke. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry. I'll add another coating once it's dry. Okay, so for anyone there who are going to try to mount their GoPro on a Wavestorm like this, yeah, make sure that you don't make the same mistake as I do. So make sure that you know where to drill. Go follow the board. That way, drill that way instead of this way. So right now it looks good. I'll probably add another layer once it's dry, just to cover the whole thing. But on the bottom, it looks like it's good. Make sure give it like 24 hours to dry, and then after that you'll be good for surfing again.